बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास 9th subject is maths, chapter 3, and there is an example on page. There is exercise 3.3, exercise 3.3, and very important question, that is question number 4 and part number 1. Now over here he says that log 2 and over here 3, then log 81 and 2. Now first of all we should be knowing some formulas, so I will write some formulas over here and these will facilitate you, these will make your life more comfortable. Okay, so if there is a log over here, log n to the base a, so I can write it like this, that log n and log a with same base, say b. Once I will apply over here, that is log 2, 3. So only write log 2 and then log 3. Don't write anything over here. Please don't write. Don't write over here. And this is the place of 3 and this is the place of 2. Now there is a log 81 and 2, so I will write it like this, that log 81 and log 2. Please don't write anything over here, that you should keep this place empty. There is no need to write anything over here. This is the formula. Now there is another formula, that is log m and power is n. So you will write it like this, that take this power over here and log m. Log m. One more example of this, that is log x square, so 2 log x, log m raised power n, so this n comes here and log m. Okay, now apply as I told you here, that will be, please, log 2 and log 3. I'm telling you that log 2 right here, not here, please, and here, not here. Now log 81 and log 2, this 81 here and this 2 here. Now this log 2 goes with this log 2, and you are left with log 81 and log 3. Now 81, yes, log 81. So 81, so you can write it like this, that 81, 9 multiplied by 9, or this 9, that is 3 multiplied by 3, this 9, 3 multiplied by 3, and what is the power of 3? Yes, nothing visible. Allah is visible? No. And how many Allahs are there? Only one Allah. So that's why its power is 1, 1, 1, 1. So 81 will be equal to 3 raised power 1, 2, 3, 4. So one same numbers multiplied with each other, then their powers are added. Their powers are added. So instead of that 81, you can write 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised power 4. So over here you write it like this, that log 3 raised to the power 4 and log 3 here. Now apply this formula over here and take this 4 here. So you will get 4 log 3 and log 3. So this log 3 goes and you are left with 4. 4 is your answer. Now it is only 1 to 2 step question, but to make you understand that you should be able to solve it correctly and get hold of the formula, that's why I have given so many examples. So if you think that there is no need of other examples, then I'm going to close this video with lot of prayers for your success, for your safety and prosperity. Thank you very much. Allah bless you. Allah reward you. Assalamu alaikum.